So I'm just sitting out here after cleaning her off a little bit and getting her ready for the show tomorrow. And just looking at this car, it's just so cool. I love this thing so much. I mean, it's just beautiful. I got my cover hanging off of it still back here, but I don't know, these lines are amazing. I love the nose, how it kind of is just so small. And the front wheels sort of stick out, and they're like, they just look so beefy and badass, even though they're not really. And the funny thing is that when you see this car driving along from behind, it looks like the wheels are pretty skinny, and it just looks so tiny, but sitting right here, she just looks so good. Oh, amazing. Another line I love is the swoop over the rear end, how it just kind of got that big rear end, sort of looks like muscle car kind of, and the taper down. This line right here, and this curve, I gotta dust it off some more still, but just all these curves, the way this curve here goes around and kind of tucks the window in and then comes out like a point, kind of tapers off like that, just adds to that sporty, super fast look. One of my all-time or most favorite aspects of these cars is how they have an hourglass figure if you look at the top. So like this would be like the bottom end and the waist and the top, sort of, if that makes sense. And when you just can't beat these fenders sticking up like that. I mean, well, look at how cool that is. Oh my goodness. Oh, I got a GoPro finally, so I'm gonna be able to shoot some really sweet video. From where, I'm not sure. Maybe up there, but probably stick her on the back here somewhere and try to get some sweet shots from all kinds of angles. I got a suction cup mount, so geez, I could probably even mount it right up here if I wanted to. Be kind of noisy there, but still planning on doing some sort of a grill in there, since those are sort of just for show. I mean, they're not really that functional. And just the way the nose tapers is so cool. And I think one of the neatest things too is just this here, the tiny windshield, with the way the windshield looks sitting into the cowling like that. These cars look so badass with something either sticking up out of the hood or like a blower or just like a nice big hood like that. The Stinger hoods are cool. I like those on the C2, but I don't really care for them on these cars, but I do like the Baldwin Motion hoods on Corvettes. I think those are amazing. So I just finished working on the seat in there. Can't see anything but my ugly reflection. I'm self-denigrating, I guess, aren't I? Anyway, just wanted to share that. Just sitting here thinking about this car and how much I love it and how excited I am to take her for a drive tomorrow and try out my new GoPro with it and stuff. So we'll see what we get. And I'm going to post this right now. It's Friday. Happy Friday to you guys. I hope you're having fun tonight. Don't do anything too crazy. Or do something crazy. I don't know. And just have fun and be safe and be the best person that you can be.